Fine Art Professional Stage Numerical Control System is suitable for various large venue hoisting projects. 1,800 square meters of venue. Deploy to 150 hoisting points. Hanging hundreds of different models. The modeling and configuration of the entire complex project and configuration can be completed in half an hour. Behind the extreme efficiency is the strong support of and intelligent tools. It can balance the efficiency of debugging and safety. You can also enter parameters according to drawings. The length, width, and angle can be adjusted freely. Quickly complete the entire pre-modeling work. It has an intelligent synchronous layout function. It can automatically generate the corresponding motor control layout. All motor channel information is clear at a glance. The operation screen accurately replicates the scene. It also supports manual dragging and fine-tuning. The system supports 3-dimensional and 4-directional through multi-dimensional 3-dimensional perspectives. It can detect hidden dangers in all directions and avoid equipment collision risks in advance. Strengthen the safety line of operation from the source. FD Hoistar 3-dimensional visualization stage mechanical console, greatly reducing the cost of large stage engineering debugging to avoid equipment collision risks while ensuring efficiency and performance safety.